Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone and opening settings. Make sure the device is unlocked and has at least 20% battery. Next, tap Lock Screen and Password in MIUI because that section controls everything you need. Once done, decide whether you want a static image, live wallpaper, or dynamic lock screen. The Gallery app should already contain the picture, or the theme should be downloaded. This early setup avoids interruptions and speeds the process. So collect assets and jump into the lock screen settings now. Now you choose and customize. Tap Wallpaper, then Lock Screen, and pick Gallery, Themes, or Live Wallpapers depending on preference. When you pick an image, crop and position it to fit 16:9 or other aspect ratios, and use the preview to confirm text and icons remain legible. Make sure to enable any lock screen widgets or shortcuts you want, and review face or fingerprint unlock settings so the new screen still works with authentication. This step refines appearance and preserves usability. Finish by tapping Apply or Save, then lock and unlock the phone to test the new lock screen, verify wallpaper alignment and that widgets respond. If the wallpaper does not appear, clear the themes or gallery cache and reboot the device because cached data often blocks changes. If problems persist, update MIUI to the latest version or reset lock screen settings back to default. That usually fixes corruption. Remember, test authentication every time and if needed, restore your previous wallpaper from backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.